Alright, y'all. I'm deciding to try something new. Call this day to day. What I mean by day to day is going to start filming like little car stuff I got going on around the house. Like fitting my diffuser. I don't think that's worth a video by itself. Uh, Clock spring replacement on my wife's car. Don't think that's a video by itself. And also, this will give y'all a chance to get more content out of me without having to wait for like big reveals or big projects or new parts. Cause no, I don't spend money on parts every damn week. So this will be a simple way of me to get y'all some more content versus just the one a week. But try to use this as a second upload for the week. Besides big uploads for like projects or things like that, or and just covering day-to-day stuff, kind of like with that G up there. Since I'm restoring it to get ready to sell it, just simple stuff. Um, yeah, here recently, anybody knows G's, put coilovers on my wife's car. Just little stuff like that. Just anything, anything I'm doing, basically. And y'all may be wondering why put coilovers on your wife's car. Well, I got them free in exchange for doing some work for someone, and her car needed new shocks. So why not go ahead and put coils on it? Makes it ride better, handle a little better, and I can improve the look up by lowering it a tad. Still 2 finger gaps all the way around. Doesn't need to be low as mine. And it solves and kills two birds with one stone. But without further ado, the task for today is steering wheel replacement. Mine doesn't look that bad, except for up there. I'm a little bit over there. So that's what I'm about to do today. So let me pause this and figure out how to set this camera up so y'all can see it. All right, first things first with this. Also with day to day, it's not gonna be every day. It's gonna be the week. So I'm gonna record for a week. Try to keep within 15 minutes and do it that way. But to this, first things first is disconnect this battery. Don't need to be punching myself with an airbag. I got a pretty big project that's coming up with this, and I don't know if I'm gonna put it up on the day to day or just give it its own thing. Hadn't decided yet. Try around with day to day, see how y'all like it. I'm gonna go from there. All right, y'all. My foam cannon died on me. Basically, basically a maintenance issue with a little steel filter in there that creates the foam for it. Got clogged up with just water with just the soap residue, and once that happens, it stops foaming and it just skeets out water. All you gotta do, I can do a tutorial for y'all on how to fix it, but if you just YouTube it on how to fix it, it'll tell you how to fix it. The only thing I did different from what they said was the caustic soda. They said use caustic soda to soak the little filter in that's in there. It's about big as a dime. At least it was for my foam cannon. Go in there, pull that out. Let me just take you for a look at mine real quick. You don't have to take any of this stuff off around here, none of that. Knock the pin out of this. My pin was there, I still hadn't put it in yet. Yeah, I can slip it off. Once you take this off, This right here is what makes it wider or smaller. But right in here, this little barrel, this is where the little steel mesh, yours may have a different media in it, but that is where mine was stored. I ended up taking everything apart trying to find that little area. Once I took this part, mine separates from here to there. I can leave this on because it's plastic. The threads on it suck already, and I struggled to get it back on correctly. But yeah, take that off, pull that filter out, whatever it is. You can soak it in just straight gasoline. I soaked mine for about 2 days, pulled it back out, stuck it in, put some water through it and made sure I flushed all the gasoline, stuck it in soap, and bam, I got my suds back. So I'm happy about that because it sucked washing cars the old way, and I prefer to just soap it up and be done, especially when it's not hot outside and I don't have to worry about it drying onto it. But man, I'm happy to have this back. As for the rest of my day today will be, I don't know why the battery was going dead in the flip car, but put the battery back in there, drive it around, see can I get this traction light off. If not, I'm finna buy another one this week. That's a part out car. They got a salvage title, so I'm gonna buy that one and get what I need off of that to fix that, and go ahead and get some other little cosmetic stuff that I could use, like little small clips and stuff that I be wanting just to put back on my car. Yeah, like for instance, that right there, I'm replacing that. The little, my square was missing. Man, I looked for that in the junkyard for weeks, anytime I went. So it's just little small things like that that I like to have and want back on my car. Probably, if his got a window sill, probably get that. Mine has it, but for some reason my wife's car doesn't have it back there. So if that car has it, I'm getting it. All right, y'all. That's about it for today.